Hello children, welcome back to our e-learning classes. In our previous class, we already learned lesson number 10, our neighborhood. Now today we are going to start our new lessons, lesson number 11, my country. Before starting the lessons, let's understand what is the means of country. Country means an area of a land with its own people and governments, etc. So, in a simple words, the peoples who are live in a particular area and they are working under the rule of a government, it's called a country. In this world, there are so many countries. Just example, India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, China, USA, etc. What is our country name? India. Now students, before starting the lessons, let's do one small exercise. Look at the picture. There is given one map. Yes, the picture show what it show. Which country's map it is shown? Yes, it is our country's map. So it shows our country's map. So here we have to write our country's name. What is our country's name? India. So write here India. Now students, I am going to read the lesson. You have to speak along with me. India is my country. It is big and beautiful. New Delhi is the capital of India. India is a land of many religions and languages. So what is our country's name? India. It is a big and beautiful country. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. In our country there are so many religions and languages. So India is called a land of many religions and languages. Now next point is national symbols. Every country has its own national symbols. The following are a few national symbols of India. So in the world there are so many countries. Every country have their own national symbols. National symbols means a particular sign or symbols which is shows related to a particular country. There are also a few national symbols of our country that we are going to study in this lesson. First symbol is national flag. Every country have their own flag. Yes, every country have their own flag with a different colors, with a different symbols. What is our country's national flag? Their color is orange, white and green. Our national flag is a symbol of our freedom. It is called the Tiranga in Hindi. It has 3 colors. So our national flag is a symbol of our freedom. We know that on our country Britishers are ruled 150 years. After it we get a freedom. So our national flag is a symbol of our freedom. In Hindi it called Tiranga. Why? Because our national flag have 3 colors. Now see the next. In our national flag we have 3 colors. First one is saffron. Saffron color stand for strength and courage. So saffron color is stand for which things? Strength and courage. White stand for peace and truth. And white color is stand for which things? Peace and truth. Green stand for fertility, growth and auspiciousness. So green color stands for fertility and growth for our country. So in our national flag there are 3 colors: saffron, white and green. Each color has their particular importance. The navy blue wheels in the center is called Ashok Chakra. In our national flag, there is navy blue wheels. It is stand for the continuous working progress of our country. It is called Ashok Chakra. It has 24 spoke wheel that stand for change through peace. So it has totally 24 spokes wheel. We know that in a white color there are one wheel. It have 24 spokes that is stand for change in our country with a peacefully. So our national flag is a symbol of our freedom. It shows our country's strength and importance. Now next point is national emblem. The national emblem of India is taken from the lion's capital of Ashoka in Sarnath. It stands for world peace and goodwill. There are 4 lions standing back to back on the top. So our national emblem is taken from the lion's capital of Ashoka in Sarnath. So India takes the national emblem from that symbol. It is situated in a Sarnath place. It stands for peace and goodwill. So it presents that India is a country of a peace and goodwill. There are 4 lions back to back on the top. The circular base has an elephant, a horse, a bull and a lion separated by spoked wheel over a bell-shaped lotus. So at the bottom side there shows 4 animals sculptures, an elephant, a horse, a bull, a lion and spoked wheel, which is already shown in our national flag. And a bell-shaped lotus is also there. The Dharma Chakra or the wheel of flow carved on it. So this wheel shows a wheel of law. It shows that in this country people have to follow some particular law. Satyamev Jayate is inscribed at its base in a Devanagari script. So on its base there is written Satyamev Jayate. It is written in Devanagari script, in a Devanagari language. Devanagari is a language which is similar to our Hindi language. So this is our national emblem. It has its own importance. Our next symbol is national animal. What is our national animal? Tiger. Tiger is our national animal. It is a symbol of power, speed, strength and royal grace. So our national animal have also its own importance. It shows the power. It presents the power of our country, speed, strength and royal grace. So all our national symbols have their own particular importance. Next point is national bird. Our national bird is peacock. The peacock is our national bird. It is a symbol of beauty, pride and grace. So our national bird also shows the important. It stands for beauty, pride and grace of our country. Next is national flower. What is our national flower? Lotus. The lotus is our national flower. It is a symbol of beauty and purity. So our national flower stands for the symbol of beauty and purity. It shows that India is a country which have its own beauty, and it is a pure like the flower, like lotus. Now see the next point. Next is national song. Every country have their own national song. In our country, our national song is Vande Mataram. It is composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So what is our national song? Vande Mataram. Who has composed it? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next is national anthem. Every country have their own national anthem which shows the power of that particular country. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. It is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. So our national anthem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. He was a great poet of our country. So this all are our national symbol. It shows the importance of the country, the strength, the power to the world. I hope you understand the lessons. Let's revise it with this short video clip. Students, we already learned my country. Let's revise it whatever we learn. Lesson number 11, my country. This is a map of our country. What is our country name? India. Every country have their own national symbols. Like the same way our country have also our national symbols. First national symbol is national flag. Tiranga is our national flag. Tiranga is the most beautiful flag of India. We should respect our national flag. It has a different our colors: saffron, white and green. So in our national flag there are three colors: saffron, white and green. Every color have their own importance. Ashok Chakra is found in the middle of white pine. So in the middle of white color there is a Ashok Chakra. It's its own importance. Next is national emblem. Our country's national emblem is taken from the Ashoka's Sarnath symbol. There are 4 Asiatic lions. Each one is stand back to back. It shows the power, courage, pride, confidence mounted on our circular abacus. Its base has Dharma Chakra. At the center, a bull, horse, elephant and a lion is there. The word Satyam Jayate is written in a Devanagari Lipi. It means truth alone or triumphs. The national emblem as adopted on 26 January 1950 on our Republic's Day, when India became a republic country. Next is national animal. Our national animal is tiger. Tiger is a kind of animal and it shows the symbol of power, speed, strength and royal grace. Next is national bird. Peacock is our national bird. It is a stand for beauty, pride and grace. So it is also our national symbol. Next is national flower. Lotus is our national flower. It is a symbol of beauty and purity. Next is our national song. Vande Mataram is our national song. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. First sang in 1896 sessions of Indian National Congress. From there we adopted our national song. Next is national anthem. It is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. It is first sang in 1911. From there we adopted our national anthem. It is playing time of full versions of national anthem in 52 seconds. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. It is important that within a 52 seconds we have to complete to sing our national anthem. So these all are our national symbols. It shows the power, strength of our country. I hope you understand these lessons. Thank you.